Is it done?
Done.
Hello, everyone. This is Paige. I've just started. This is going to be my first YouTube video. Yeah. And I'm going to be playing Animal Jam for some reason.
Animal Jam.
Yeah, that's my cousin in the background.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry, I don't do this to your videos. She's gonna be doing her video. Yeah.
I'm doing my editing.
You could do loads of editing and that. And I'm going to choose what one I want, but they're so cute and I don't even know what one to choose.
I'm normally the bunny. Caitlin.
Yeah, she's usually the bunny.
Caitlin's normally the wolf.
That thing.
Yeah.
I kind of like that.
You can have two characters. I have that one and that one.
I love the seal.
Click the arrow buttons to pick a fun new name for your animal.
My God, I don't like this thing. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder. Wow, that is a weird name.
Awesome, major
Awesome. Chief. Or chef. No, that's chief. He was called a dog. A seal, sorry. Dancing. Oh wow, darling doctor. Duke. Enchanted.
Enchanted magic. Buzzing. Oh.
Handsome. How handsome. You just wouldn't do that. Magical. Magic. There's not really good names on this thing, is there?
No, not really. Mine was Miss Company.
I might get this Rosie, Peachy, Cop. Oh no. Feed flower. Peachy.
Rosie Peachy flower.
I'll have that.
Enter your birthday and tell us if you are a boy or a girl. Then
I'm a
create a
he.
unique username and password for your account. Ask a parent for help if you need to.
I'm not a baby. I was born on Jan
the 1st. No, wait.
the 8th, you donkey. Oh wow, completely went past that. The 8th. And yes, I'm a he, she, because I'm tomgirl. Tomboy.
There's a bird in my tin noodle.
What would you press? Do
That's
you have to?
creepy. Did you just hear that? It went.
I feel as clean as a washed potato.
No, I don't.
Sorry.
It's
an
just
adjective.
pop-ups. Do you have to lie about your age?
No.
Good. So I'm coming
Shut
up.
up. I don't care about
I'm
pink
11.
sparkly.
And my age is gonna be 40 pants. No, it's not. It's gonna be No. Lol me. 1, 2, 3. If it works.
What do you
All by myself. I don't know.
That's hard. Somebody spells a heart.
I spelled it wrong. God, I'm so bad at spelling. 11. Ning. How the hell can people know this? 45. Come on, baby. Yeah, it worked. No, I'm not saying this out loud. It shows your password.
We'll edit it out.
This is gonna be
Boys
bad.
and girls, there'll be a black mark over the screen right now.
Almost there. Enter
Right,
and
it's back.
confirm your
Hi,
parents'
hello.
email address.
I'll just add my email address actually. Page. Dot yeah. Dot.
Three.
Confirm email. Oh, it actually took me email as well. Oh wow. This game is so dumb. Anyways, I know my mom's email, but I don't want to use it. Oh wow. I don't want to use it. Because it's too long on this thing.
Yes,
Finally, review the Animal Jam Code of Conduct. Never share your personal information with anyone online. And remember to be nice and have fun.
These kind words. Report bad jammers. Oh wow. Cheat, steal.
Wait, does that one say doing? That one say do. Okay, I will act inappropriate. I will cheat, steal, scam, and give out personal information.
I hate you, mommy.
Sorry, don't tell them. They haven't heard it.
You might be looking at a fast. Quiet.
Sorry. A funny noise just went in the room.
This is hilarious. Oh wow, I might have to end the video here, guys.
Episode 1, sorry.
Bye.